I'm already in drag, baby. What do you call getting up in the morning?
Hello, today I'm feeling very inspired. And the thing that has inspired me is watching the Boulet brothers' Dragula. I'm gonna tell you guys all about my favorite, most inspiring moments from this season after I start gluing down my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do a drag look on my face. So that's how inspiring Boulet brothers' Dragula was for me. No, but for real, I hear that gluing your eyebrows takes a long time, so I gotta get started. So the first step in gluing down your eyebrows, rubbing alcohol. This is not a tutorial. If you've come here to learn how to do drag makeup, you are in the wrong place. That was my disclaimer, you know? This is about as much of a drag tutorial as My Drunk Kitchen is a cooking show. This could be less than that. Oh God. I'm gonna do this now with my shirt. I am hot, hot, hot. I have shellacked my hair back for the purpose of this video. This is not my vibe. Or is it? I mean, it could be. Who's to say? I've never rocked out like this. I have rubbing alcohol in my eye. All right, so the way you glue eyebrows down, we go against the grain, then we swirl it in, then we go with the grain. Wow. This is a commitment.
So then we're gonna go against the grain, against the grain, against the grain, swirly whirl our way back, then we go with the grain.
Wow, that is a good strat. That's a really good strat. Aha!
Hello.
I feel even more powerful.
I just really wanted you guys to see this. Yes?
Wouldn't it be great if the holiday season was in fact just 3 Halloweens in a row? That would be great. But you know what? December is just as good a month for drag as any other month, and that is something that I carry with me as I anticipate the finale. It's been a crazy season, crazy inspiring. This is fun in like a masochistic creation way. I didn't know slicking my hair back would have such a tremendous effect on like who I am as a person, but it has. Ha ha ha. I have glued my eyes down. I've glued my eyebrows down 4 times. Now, I'm going to apply a light layer of powder, and then I'm gonna put foundation all over my face. Oh my God. Powder, powder, powder. And it's at this moment I realize that I am out of my league. This is thrilling. I'm thrilled. You know what else is thrilling? The looks on this season of the Boulet brothers' Dragula. Oh my God. I have my camera so far away from me right now. I can't see myself, but what I can see is a straight. Somehow, by getting rid of my eyebrows, I've accentuated my brow bone. I promise I'm gonna tell you about the look I'm going for. I'm just not ready to tell you yet because this is gonna take so long. As I move on to the foundation phase of my drag look, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the foundation of the blue. Damn it, everything! I'd like to tell you about the foundation of the Boulet brothers' Dragula, which is as follows. Drag, filth, horror, glamour, Hannah. Now I'm gonna take my foundation and put it all over my whole face so that I can become as close to a flat sheet of paper as possible.
Fingers down my spine, girl you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine, girl you look mighty fine.
I have become a fleshy mannequin. Hello. Boop, boop. Are you getting the horror part yet? So the next step in my creation is I'm going to create a brow, an eyebrow. And I'm gonna follow along the onset of my initial brow, but then kind of try and end it right at my natural hairline. This is fun. I'm having fun. I don't know what I'm doing, but I sure hope it turns out to be something at all. As a fan of art in many forms, I've always really what the? My nose ring! I forgot! I have a stud hole! I'm like, what's that hole on the side of my nose? Just me stalling, so let's go, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start my line. Is this even the right kind of thing? I don't know. So I'm gonna start my faux brow where my real brow starts, and I'm gonna kinda create this different valley in which it will live and thrive. So, here we go.
Oh, tools you have so that someday you know what tools you need to achieve what you're looking for, you know? And also it's more cost effective.
This person's got some weird gnat eyebrows. Sometimes you gotta explore outside your comfort zone, which reminds me of the very first contestant who went home. Formaldehyde, great digital performer. Kudos to you for going outside your comfort zone. I, right now, am incredibly uncomfortable. So, if my eyebrows are there, then, oh my God, Hannah, you look like literally a stage production of Beauty and the Beast. Maybe that's what I'm going for? I've had a lot of respect for the drag community, but now, looking at my own face, I have even more. Sometimes it's more about commitment than confidence. Except for when you're marrying someone. You should be very confident in your choice to commit. Kids. Got it. This is what I like to call a visual brainstorm. The next step is, I'm just so scared. I'm not even scared. What's the worst? No, don't even think about bad things right now, Hannah. The next step is the contour. Now for my contour, I'm gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna use a liquid contour, which I've never used before. I'm using this. You guys don't care what I'm using. Nobody's gonna be like, man, I really wanna capture that look Hannah's got going right now. Decisions have been made. Woo! Oh my God. Well, you know what? I'm having a lot of fun, and having fun is something that I love. And other things that I love, like fun, are puns. And I love the name that drag performers come up with for themselves, like Sigourney Beaver, one of the AFAB queens who's still in it and is competing for the #1 spot in the finale, which is wild, man. I'm gonna blend it a little while it's still drying. Yeah, baby. Oh, honey. Wow. Shouting helps. I think I'll do just a little. Okay, yeah, there it is. I can see my jaw more. Hello, it's me, Daddy. Next, now I'm gonna start to reshape my nose. I'm very inspired by Sasha Velour and their work, so I'm basically just gonna make it pointy. Cause like, my nose is like, how do I put this? Adorable, cute little button nose. Like, wow, what a cute nose, you know? I've even got like a dot on the end of it. Like, what a cute nose. So I'm just gonna change it. I'm having the time of my life. Okay, experimentation-wise, wee-hoo-hoo. Hannah's natural artistic instinct-wise, this is the sloppiest, messiest thing I've ever seen in my life, and I don't love it. I really don't. So I don't have any like straight up white makeup, but I do have children's face paint. There we go. Holy heck and a half. I'm gonna switch over to a regular brush now. Glamour. Get the look. Scratch that. The good news is ultimately our goal is to paint a face on top of a face, and that will happen no matter what. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brow pomade. If I spit in it, will it get easier to work with? Okay, so I'm just gonna try and kind of start to forge. No, that looks like a dirty. Oh no, it's kind of getting there, but God, it's definitely not the fine lines of ambition that I was seeking. Oh, what if she's, yeah, look, it's not nothing. You know what else isn't nothing? How much I appreciate how hard it was for Bitter Betty to draw that Terminator Dolly Parton look on her face. Like, now that I'm actually trying to do it, my scale of awe has multiplied tenfold. If you guys want to see what I'm talking about, feel free to watch this new season of the Boulet Brothers Dragula, available now on Shudder, on Prancer, on Vixen. Oh my God. Okay, hold on, I have to bring this one in more, otherwise it's not centered! It's not centered! And now neither am I. I'm still in the step I'm on. Brow is complete. As scared as I feel right now, it's not nearly as scared as I felt when Saint became that freaking cow, man. Now I understand why people have drag mothers, because they want to go, look at me, mother. Look at your beautiful baby. You know what's funny is that my eyeballs have this one's a circle and this one's an almond. They have two really different shapes. So it's fun. It's really fun to try and find a way to compensate for that right now. I'm gonna bump up my contour and then we're gonna do the lip. And next, but certainly not next, that's like last but not least, but you know, different and fun in a new way, I'm going to attempt for the first time ever to overdraw my lips. I don't have a lot of material to use. We have a purple eyeliner that I'm willing to put on my lips, and then from there I'm just gonna like put red in there, and so that's what I'm doing. But I can't tell you about it while I'm doing it because I will really need to concentrate. Hello, Ella. How happy are you that you've chosen to be with me for life? So this is the outline of my overdraw. Something that was really important to me was to make sure it looked realistic. I feel like a drag queen. Wow, the lip is like straight up the hardest part. This gives me a whole new appreciation for my personal favorite, Hoso Teratomo. Because frankly, I can't do drag, let alone drag yokai. Like art on top of art on top of art. So please go experience this little look into the Boulet brothers' Dragula. And by the time you get back, I will have put on lashes and my costume. See you on the other side.
Hello, uglies. You each have a 1 in 10 chance of taking home a $100,000 grand prize.
And may the best monster win.
I'm so into blood right now.
Oh, huzzah! Yumma dum dum, you're back. I've been waiting. If you feel so inspired by my existence, you can check out season 4, now streaming on Shudder. The finale is December 21st, and if you need a little bit of a discount code, go ahead and click the link in the description below. bit.ly/HannahHart. Use code HEART30 to get the next 30 days free. The Boulet brothers' Dragula will be back for season 5 next year, so catch up now on season 4! I liked this time we had. If you did, then thank God. That's why I did this, so we could all have fun.